Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play together in 7 Days to Die. To team up with your friends, you will need to connect to a game server. This can be a public server, a private server hosted by a friend, or one you set up yourself. Understanding these options is key to starting your cooperative survival adventure. We will cover the simple steps to get you and your friends surviving the zombie apocalypse side by side. The easiest way to play with others is by joining an existing server. From the main menu, select Join Game to open the server browser. You can filter servers by name, ping, or the number of players online. If your friends are already on a specific server, search for its name. For private games, you will need the correct password to enter and begin your shared journey. If you prefer to control the game world, hosting your own game is the way to go. Select New Game and then Host Game from the main menu. Here, you can customize all game settings, including difficulty, world generation, and player limits. You can make your game public for anyone to join or set a password for a private session with just your friends. This gives you full control over your shared experience. When hosting, several settings are crucial for a smooth multiplayer experience. You can adjust player versus player damage, deciding if players can harm each other. Set the maximum number of players to control server capacity. Also, consider friendly fire options. Disabling it prevents accidental damage among teammates. These adjustments ensure everyone has a fun and fair time surviving the harsh world together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.